Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of connections, presented by the New York Times. This innovative series delves into how seemingly unrelated events are, in fact, connected. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the hidden threads that link different aspects of our world. From the environment to technology, politics to culture, Connections sheds light on the complex web of interrelations. By examining these connections, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate tapestry of our society. The series invites us to think critically about the impacts of our actions on a global scale. Through thought-provoking stories and data-driven analysis, Connections challenges us to look beyond the surface. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the stories that shape our world. Get ready to expand your perspective and see the world in a whole new light. Discover how everything is more interconnected than we might have ever imagined.